Hello.
Let's go. Just a little bitty one. I mean, that all here. But we have friends.
That's cool. What is that?
This is my GoPro. I make videos. So if I do work in here, I'll be taking a video. So you want to wrap copper both edges?
At least, what do you think? Well, so we were looking at the, I showed her some of the pictures. This is obviously, this is just a dry run with this. We're not putting it all in yet. So, I mean, this is what it's going to look like, the top. But, we've got a couple different ideas. One to put a bar rail on top of it. So if you wrapped it, it wouldn't really matter because we're going to put a bar rail to give it some decorative rail on the edge. We're not completely sure what we're doing as far as epoxying over the copper to keep it protected from staining or oxidizing or whatnot.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
You got it tied in over here too.
Yeah, it just ends on the wall. So. But yeah, that's the trick is we wouldn't put this beam in until you got your top in, I think, right? Have the servers pick up drinks from this. We could have like a little table here. This is where they're picking their drinks up.
That's it though.
Doesn't that make more sense?
Yeah.
Then we can sit two more up here. We're not gonna. We'll decide on what our style bracket we can do until not until the end. Once we get the wood on. That's our face. Our face wood's over there. That's all that. Yeah, that one's rock solid. So, no, that's not coming out. No, the only thing that can come out right now is all the countertop and these beams. These aren't even screwed in right now. They're just being pinned in.
Yeah, we just set them back in place.
This is a nice space. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Did you have to do any of the work up top, or is this just a partial renovation?
No, yeah, partial renovation. We're just gonna paint. Once we get the bar finished, it's pretty much floors. We're doing spruce floors right here. Then that's our face boards to the bar. They're gonna go run horizontally, and we're gonna try to tie bow ties. There's all these little bow tie pieces where they hit the screw holes. So we're gonna try to match them.
Where'd this wood come from?
Boston somewhere.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're gonna do something like this, but we gotta pick and choose it. We haven't puzzled it together yet. We think we got enough to do the whole bar, but we'll have to trim some down because they're not all the same size. And we're just gonna keep it like that. It's just linseed oil on whatever finish they had prior to us getting it. Yeah, anyway, Mitch is here. I gotta go. Oh, wait till you see the Look at the stair. They ain't trimmed it.
Ryobi.
Yeah, they just burn up. Yeah, you get maybe 4 or 5 years out of the things. We bought one that we had the green Makita that lasted probably 25 years. You've probably come across those, the old green.
Yeah, Makitas are good.
And then we bought the next blue Makita, and that lasted about 10 years. And then this piece of shit, but it's 99 bucks. So, like this, I mean, we've got nice table saws in the shop, and this is perfect for a job site one.
Well, it was on that 12-foot, that picture on the bar. JT. That'd be interesting to find out the history of it. R.T. Adams, Boston, Mass. Order number 2363.